Now I'm going to teach you how to torture a little kitten. Okay? First you see the little kitten sleeping. Okay?
Poor little thing's going to be tortured.
Then we prepare a torture section. Okay? Like that, like that, like that.
What's happening to the little
Like that.
kitten?
And that's the torture section.
Oh, I can't see a thing. He's doing this. You can't see a thing.
Oh, he's been raped and tortured. You have to tip me as well, honey.
I can't. You've got to lift him up and torture him. That's better. This is the poor...
This is how we torture a kitten.
Gently get being tortured. Poor thing. Look, he's not even... I'm going to take her to the RSPCA for cruelty.
Bite his ear.
Now she's trying to bite the poor cat's ear. Terrible, terrible, terrible.
She hates this. Look, 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 look. See? Mommy, helping me, helping me. I don't like it being tortured. She's helping me. Oh. Now I'm going to rape him.
Leave him alone, the poor thing.
This is called animal cruelty.
Yes. He will be taken away from you, you know that. Now when I show this to the RSPCA, he will be removed from you, torturing the poor cat. And now the cat tried to escape. It's torturing.